I have 2 months to turn this dead HP laptop into a working robot brain that has no charger, no hard drive, and zero reasons to live. I also have $0 and zero knowledge. So let's see if we can make it happen. This is season 1 of Breaking Into Tech, where we're turning e-waste into portfolio projects. Here's the plan. So for the first month, I'm going to be learning because I have absolutely zero knowledge of robotics or whatsoever, even though my title is Chief Data and AI Solutions Officer at Signify, which sounds like I know quite a lot about robotics, but I really don't. So I'm going to go from zero to hero, and we're going to learn together. And the second month, I'm going to research on how to take this, the brain, and turn it into something great. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but we will see. But first, we have to talk about the research. So before we get started, I had to do research. It took me 72 hours, more or less, to get through all the research I had to find out how I'm basically going to go through this. And that was with a lot of help from Signify's Auto Researcher. So what is Auto Researcher? Well, Auto Researcher is a research tool that us at Signify created. We created it for those people that like to dive into research, love to learn, love to read, and also love to write without AI's hallucination and others. We created it as a system that runs alone without the use of AI. But if you need that little bit of AI push, we still have those of you that like to use AI to refine your stuff covered. So thanks to Signify and the Auto Researcher for sponsoring this video. Now back to so let's talk robotics. As one of the most technical fields out there, it was hard for me to start and get started. So after I did 72 hours of research, I had to start from somewhere. And so in this video, we're gonna take those few steps, and then I'm going to show you how I went through it and my thought process throughout it. So let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Walkie. Okay, Walkie. And yeah, this is it. Walkie.com. By the way, this video is not in any way sponsored by Walkie. So yeah, first time using this, which is even strange because I thought, the Raspberry Pis were the only chips and motherboards that offer like tiny computer type of formats, but who knows? You learn something new every day. So we have the Arduino. Okay, I've heard of Arduino. ESP32, never heard of that. STM32, never heard of that. Pi Pico, I assume. Yeah, I've heard of the Pi, the Raspberry Pi, but not the Pico. Okay, Walkie Pro, that's for VS Code, Walkie CI, and Walkie for JetBrains. So I assume these are for when you already have your brain and you need to program one of these chips, so when you're not simulating. Okay. Start your projects with MicroPython. So I suppose these are the universities and organizations that have used Walkie. So New York University of Singapore, HTM Modeling, Harvard, University of Arkansas. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, seems they also offer chip design. I mean, I'm stating out the obvious, but you know. Featured projects. I hope we will work on something that will get featured on this at some point in time, but yeah, you know how that be like. Okay, so since I know about the Arduino, I'll go for the Arduino. So featured projects, no, we don't want a featured project. How do I start my own? Okay, start from scratch. Uno, Mega, Nano, AT Tiny, and yeah, I don't even know how to pronounce that, so I'm not good. Okay, Franzinino. Strange. What a name. All right, I'm gonna go for Uno because, you know, I'm first to rise, Mr. First to rise. It's, yeah, for those of you that have been on the channel for that long, thank you. So we have our code. So we have the setup and the loop. So we have to basically set up our device. And what we're doing now, since this is the very first time that I'm actually doing this, the first thing that I'm going to do is try to set up a LED. So we're gonna just set up a blinking LED. So here we have our LED, and seems you can select colors. That's the red, the green, the blue. Na 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 na. Okay, yeah, not trying to get copyrighted here. Actually, copyright strikes. So yeah, what color are we going for? Green for go. Okay. So how do we connect them? Do we set them down in the pins? I don't think so. I don't think that's how you set down in the pins. How do we connect them? Like I said, this is me exploring an avenue that I haven't explored before, and I'm doing this with you guys. Okay, that's node 13. Okay, that's ground. So, okay, let's try to connect node 13. All right, so we're putting our code here. So first we have to basically connect to the pin. So to connect to the pin, we use pin mode. Okay, there it is, pin mode. And we have pin number 13, and we're connecting to it as an output. Yeah, output. Okay. So mind you, most of this code I just memorized based off of, my research. Again, thank you, Cyclify. Thank you, Auto Researcher. Thank you, me, for sponsoring this video. That sounds kind of good, but yes. Okay, so the next thing we have digital. Okay, digital write. So we are basically writing the brightness, and that's high. And then we're going to have our... Okay, so here, when we're using digital write, that's turning on and off. So when you use digital write high, that's turning on. Digital high, yes, digital write low, that's turning off. And then we're going to have our delay. And let's make it... Look at me adding... Whoa, calm down there, sir. Okay, 100. Let's make it 1,000. So, like I said, digital write turning on, digital write high turning on, digital write low turning off. Yeah. All right. So let's count it down. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's on. Nothing is happening. Oh no. Did I mess up somewhere? Okay, so the life of a developer, a programmer, we always, make mistakes and we go back to check. Wait, did the reference light up? Let me check that again. So, oh no, not even the reference is lighting up. Because apparently the aref is supposed to light up as well, because that's our reference. Scary stuff. Out low. Oh wait. Why am I moving it? If we ground this. Okay, we figured it out. We did it. Okay, we did it. Okay, 3, because I don't believe there's anything wrong with the code. Maybe I should check again. I should look through it again, but this should be it. Yes, for the setup, pin mode, we're selecting the pins and the mode on the pins. Yeah, digital write, I think all are correct. Okay, let's try it. Oh, it's working. That gave me scared. Wow. Okay, so since I don't know why it's not showing the reference, but okay, this is still exciting. I know it's not making a robot move, but we've still done something significant. But I just can't help but think, okay, why aren't we getting the reference? And okay, it's blinking. Why don't we try making it last longer? Yeah, that's what she said. Don't mind my jokes. Okay. Okay, so the delay is... Wait. Hold on, wait a minute. What if we add another delay here? I'm sorry, I love to explore, so I'm just trying. Okay. Let's reduce this and... Okay, now we have a reference. Like I said, the life of a developer coding, you have to explore, check, write mistakes. But I'm feeling a little bit crazy because I can't just make one line and then leave you guys. Let's try to add some more LEDs. Okay, let me not add anything too big just yet. This is just the first episode. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, tin. Okay, let me give some. That is nasty. Okay, either ways, we have those connected. Okay, so we have to adjust our pin mode as well. Pin mode, and this time we're using not 13, sorry, 12. And we have it as an output. So, is it gonna work? Bleep. Why isn't 12 work? Oh, look at me. Okay. Okay, let's just make some more room here, and we add our digital write, and that's pin number 12, and high delay, of course. Let's not make the same mistake again. Okay, what if we just leave the red one on? Should we? Nah. Let's make Christmas lights. So we'll turn the blue into green, and instead of that, we'll do alternating. Let's try 500, since that's 1000, so that they won't alternate though, will they? Anyways, man. That's 12 again. That's the low. And wait. What if to alternate we do 1000 here, and for the delay we put 500. Okay. Yes, so they are alternating. Christmas bells, Christmas lights, something. Turn this light into green so we get Christmas lights. Yes, Christmas lights. Christmas light. Okay, I'm satisfied. So, I guess back to me. Yup. That was a lot of work and a lot of excitement too for just a blinking light. But small steps, right? These are my baby steps to becoming, that robotics engineer type of person. So first steps, baby steps, but I did take zero knowledge about everything and turn it into a blinking light, especially the connections that really drove me crazy. But I'm glad and happy because that is the first step. So if you'd like to see the continuation of this, because next week's episode is going to be packed with way more knowledge, I'm going to be taking way more knowledge, advancing it, and taking it further, and coming closer to turning this into something robotic, like a robot brain. So, as YouTube requires me, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will see you in next week's video.